okay, okay. Yeah.
A beautiful day, we outside. So beautiful. Welcome back to Jazzilulu TV. So we're headed to my favorite place. Beautiful day. Happy. I'm so happy. There's the Jewish market. And where are we going? Where are we going? Well, right now, you know where we going. Well, I hope y'all know. And if you don't know, today is a nice day. It's about 70 and people don't know how to drive. So today is a nice day. It's about 70 degrees and I'm just so excited and I'm so happy. Move the fuck out of the way. We going straight to the bank on them. Like I said, all 2023, we going straight to the bank on them and we back at the bank. And y'all, I was hungry, so I got me some pescado and some toscones and some rice and mango juice. And I'm just sitting at this beautiful park on the west side. And now I'm leaving. And that was so good. And I love it over here. It has a lot of beautiful culture and history over here. And now I'm off. Beautiful day. I love New York City. I love art too. And if you ever come to New York City, just know that New York City is a walkable city. So yes, there are cars driving, but in New York City, it is hard to find parking, or parking is expensive. So yeah, you get the full experience of the city if you walk. Just letting you guys know, whether you live here or not, that's to be expected. Anyway, let's go. And that hotel in the background was the famous New Yorker hotel, and I am walking right now by the Lincoln Center. Look at the beautiful art, the Lincoln Center, how beautiful. And now I'm off to do my community work. And this is a famous Juilliard where many celebrities went to school. And LaGuardia, the famous high school where Nicki Minaj went to high school. Mangoes, let's get them. These are my favorite. I love these. And ooh, these are good too. And look, right in front of me is kimchi. And if you don't know what kimchi is, it's so good. It's like Korean spicy cabbage. Goes with a lot of dishes, so good. But kimchi and dumplings go hand in hand. Then I was like, girl, let me get some guac because avocados always spoil so quickly. I don't know why. And then this is all the vegan stuff and the fruits. And then I was just like, let me see. And then these sound good because they're like non-GMO, vegan, and breakfast link. So this is gonna be my first time trying those. Then I was like, I need a salad. And yeah, now we have the juice. Who doesn't love juice? And look, they have a sale, 2 for $7. And if you know, you know. Welch got that. So good. I got 2 of those. These are just so good. I love them. And Of course, we need Mexican cheese. Hello. These are my favorite. Cheesecake, raspberry, vanilla bean Madagascar, gelato, coffee chocolate. This is my favorite, but I'm gonna try this. Found the deal. So happy. I'm gonna get this and Snickers. I love these ones the most, but soft ones 8. Yellow corn, I love that, but I want soft, but I want more than 8. It's 10, 20. I also like Evian water, so they have a deal on it, and since I'm with my boo and my Bella today, I'm just gonna have this. My favorite, they have spicy. Maybe I'll try spicy. But this is my favorite kind of pasta sauce. Spicy 4 cheese and tomato. Yeah. This is the best, that's why all this gone. I'm gonna get these two. And this is what I cook for my babe. I also made it for myself too. I got my own plate, but this is what I made from the shopping trip, little quick shopping trip. Spaghetti with the 4 cheese sauce, sprinkled some 4 cheese Mexican blend on top with some fresh basil and some pepper. And this is a Thai salad. And this is going to be our dessert. And I got my little baby right here. My little puppy Bella. Say hi, Bella. She don't want to say hi. And this is what we're having for dessert. So good. So look inside is Snickers ice cream with the Edmonds cake. So we're gonna enjoy this. And this is what we're eating as a snack because we had a little bit of that ooey. So now we're about to eat our snacks, watch a movie, and sleep. And this is what I made. This is veggie dumplings with kimchi, rice and peas, and chinola, or you want to say passion fruit juice. So I'm gonna eat and finish watching the movie with Bae. Now I had to rush back and drive over to the condo. My package, I'm so excited to get my package. Look how beautiful. My package. I got my package. My sponsors, thank you for reaching out to me. I love to collaborate with brands. I love doing sponsorship. So yeah, now we inside. And thank you to both of my sponsors. Now we're going back to the house. Today is Saturday. I'm just watching my favorite show and guilty pleasure, Selling Sunset, the new season. Girl, guy, you gotta watch it. And Bae got me some pasta pasta. And I'm having watermelon and Evian water. And Bella, my little puppy, is crying. So anyway, I'm gonna finish watching my show.
This wood, every
and
panel
I'm gonna
is 8
have
inches
some
wide,
chicharron
9 feet long. I could have spent
and
$50,000 or $150,000
guacamole. These are made out of flour.
So much.
Kelly's here, and we're gonna have some wine. We're gonna have some Pinot Grigio, and look how beautiful these wine glasses are. I got them from Wayfair, and I also got this wine opener from Wayfair. So it's a chargeable wine opener. So I'm gonna tell Callie to hold the camera and hopefully I can figure out how to do this. I got this one wafer too. This knife, I do so much with this knife, it's not even funny. Okay, how cute, it has grapes. So I'm thinking you just take off this and you just, oh, that's cool. Okay, so you put it on top and this is to go down. Can't go down no more, and then you go up. Okay, wait. Actually, you just hold it down and it lifts the cork up itself. And then to get the cork down, you just go like that and you, oh, it puts it back on it for you. Oh, that's cool. You go all the way down, the cork is inside, and then when you want to put it back on, then you press up. And it puts it back on for you. So we're gonna leave it off and we're gonna have some wine. But I'll leave this in my link in my description. So a glass for Callie. And a glass for Jazzy.
Cheers.
Cheers. So what I just realized while we were sitting here is at the bottom, if you have the paper, you don't need a knife because you literally have these and you put it and then you twist it. So this is what you're supposed to do with the top on and the foil on, is grab it, twist it in a circle, and it'll cut the foil off for you. But I didn't know that. I'm gonna add that much. I think this is enough. Yeah, this should be enough for me and Callie, so yeah. And I'm gonna put it with this sauce here, spicy tomato basil. My first time having this, but we'll see if it's good. So this is how the pasta turned out, and I topped it with some Mexican cheese from Trader Joe's, and these are the broccoli florets I made with it, which they look small on camera. They're big in real life, so that's why I only have two, and we're just gonna finish up the wine. So we're gonna eat this and enjoy our Memorial Day. So Callie, the #1 question is, how does Jazzilulu's food taste?
It tastes better than how it looks. It tastes really good. It looks good, but tastes even better.
You heard it from Callie, and she's eating, and we're gonna eat and finish our wine. We out. All right, so I made me and Callie Javy coffee caramel macchiato, so she's gonna tell y'all if this is good, and it's really amazing. And me and her don't even like coffee like that, but I love caramel macchiatos and frappuccinos. So here you go, girl.
Thank you.
All right, Callie's here. Callie, say hey.
Hey.
And this is what I made: penne pasta and salad. And we're just talking, and I'm so excited because Callie moved in. So yeah, so I guess tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach, so I'll continue this vlog tomorrow.